In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D box with animation on PowerPoint for beginners, part 1, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want your presentations to look more creative and professional, this is a great effect to learn. We'll build a simple 3D cube step by step using basic PowerPoint tools, and by the end, you'll have a design that really stands out on your slides. To get started, open PowerPoint and load the presentation where you want to add the 3D box. You can also start with a blank slide if you want to practice the effect first. Once your slide is ready, head to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Shapes. From the list of shapes, choose the Rectangle tool. Click and drag on your slide to create a shape. Now, here's a useful trick. Hold down the Shift key while resizing the rectangle. This keeps all sides even and turns the shape into a perfect square. This square will become one side of your 3D box. Next, copy and paste the square several times until you have enough shapes to build the cube. You can move the shapes around your slide and start arranging them into position. Each square will represent a different side of the 3D box. After that, click on one of the squares and go to the Shape Format tab. Select Shape Effects, then choose 3D Rotation. This is where the flat shape starts to look more realistic. Try different rotation presets until the square angles begin to resemble the side of a cube. Repeat this process for the other squares, giving each one a slightly different angle so they fit together visually like a real 3D object. You can also change the colors of the shapes to make the cube look more dynamic and easier to see. If you want more control over the design, use the Edit Points option under Shape Format. This allows you to adjust the corners and edges manually so the shapes line up more naturally. Small adjustments can make a huge difference in creating a realistic 3D effect. Once your cube is complete, it's time to animate it. Click on the entire cube or select the shapes together, then go to the Animations tab. Choose an animation effect like spin, grow, or fade to bring your 3D box to life. You can also customize the speed and timing to make the animation smoother and more impressive. Preview your slideshow to see the final result. With just a few shapes and animations, you can turn an ordinary presentation into something much more engaging and visually appealing. And that's how you make a 3D box with animation in PowerPoint for beginners. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.